In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your videos in a Trello board. If you've been looking to streamline your project management by including videos, Trello is a great tool to facilitate that. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that your videos are efficiently integrated into your Trello workflow. First, open your internet browser and head over to Trello.com. This will bring you to Trello's homepage where you can see your boards and access your projects. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Log In. Give that button a click and you'll be taken to the login page. Trello offers you the flexibility to log in using either your email or your Google account. If you have a Google account connected, it makes the process a little quicker. Enter your details accordingly and you'll find yourself on the main Trello dashboard. Now that you are logged in, let's navigate to your boards. Click on the Boards tab, usually centered at the top of your Trello interface. You'll see a comprehensive view of all your boards here. If you, like many of us, work in numerous teams or have multiple projects, head over to the Your Workspaces section. This is where you'll find the workspace relevant to the videos you wish to save. Keeping everything organized is crucial, so take a moment to ensure you're in the right space. With your workspace selected, identify the specific board you intend to upload your videos to. Click on it, and within moments you'll be inside that selected board. You'll likely see a setup of lists and cards, which Trello uses to organize tasks and project elements. Locate the card where you want to attach the video, or if it's a new task, add a card for it. With the card open, you'll see various options for modifying the card. Look for the attachment option. This is where we'll be focusing. Click on it and you'll be prompted with a few methods to attach files. Click on Choose a File, allowing you to navigate through your computer or device to find the video you wish to upload. If you're looking to bypass the navigation process, feel free to utilize Trello's convenient drag and drop feature. Simply drag your video file from its folder on your computer directly onto the card, and Trello will automatically begin the upload process. Once uploaded, your video is now part of your Trello card, making it readily accessible for team members working on the project. This makes it easier to collaborate, review, and discuss video content without having to switch between different platforms. It's that simple. By following these steps, you can keep your multimedia content organized and accessible within your Trello boards. Happy organizing!